Hello and welcome to Hostitude. I'm Garo, here to help you with marketing. I've been helping businesses in the car industry since 1991. I've learned firsthand about the problems and challenges business owners face, especially those who aren't used to the digital world. The digital world changes fast, and it's keeping up with the business world. We are here to help you catch up and use our skills to help your business grow. We focus on helping businesses get more customers and serve their local communities better. This video will be helpful if you want to grow your business and make your brand more known locally. In the past few years, we focused on helping local businesses grow by using our knowledge and experience. I'll keep this short as we move on to some important questions. The answers to these questions have helped us transform the businesses we've worked with and help them grow a lot. Firstly, can people find your business on search engines and Google Maps when they are looking for the services you provide? If not, we need to work on that. Secondly, do you know who visits your website? Their age, income, and interests can all be studied. This allows you to make your content and marketing more suited to them. Thirdly, do you know if people visiting your site are subscribing to your updates, calling your business, or using your website to find out how to get to your location? If you aren't keeping track of this information, we should talk about it. Let's also talk about paid ads. Are you using them? And if so, are you seeing results? How many leads are turning into customers? How many are buying from you online or visiting your location? This information is very important to make sure you're getting your money's worth for your marketing budget. Our aim here is to help you do really well and take your business to the next level. I've prepared some questions below this video. Fill them out and let's start working together. See you soon and thank you for joining us.